Welcome to Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy, Vijayawada, run by ex-Akash faculty. Now, this coming 2 to 3 months, we are going to conduct a bridge program for NEET and JEE students, particularly for organic chemistry. So, there is great opportunity to score 100% marks in organic chemistry, both NEET and JEE aspirants. Only organic chemistry, which can cover the complete 11th and 12th standard. Acha, we are running institution Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy. So myself is M. Krishna Prasad, ex-Akash faculty and also faculty in chemistry. Our curriculum, our course will start. We are conducting online coaching for this curriculum. 3rd week of January to 31st March. If possible, we can extend the course also. So for time being, tentatively, we are conducting this course, organic chemistry, 11th and 12th together. 3rd week of January to 31st March, we are going to conduct like a bridge course. So in order to get 100% marks in organic chemistry, we are giving coaching. This coaching includes 1.5 hour theory part and followed by exercise also every day. So this course, which students can join our courses, both 11th students as well as 12th students. First, we start with 11th standard like GOC, General Organic Chemistry, then followed by mechanism, followed by name and reaction, followed by organic reagents. So we can cover both 11th and 12th syllabus. So duration, you can see every day 1.5 hour we can take the classes. So during 1.5 hour, we can teach concept as well as some numericals exercise also. And practice purpose also, we are providing some assignment for the students. Acha, benefits of this course. Apart from this, what are the benefits of this courses? We provide one app to all the students. This app includes our recorded lectures also available. N number of times you can watch our videos. Not only organic chemistry, our institution videos are also available for botany, zoology, physics as well as chemistry. Complete physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry videos are also available free of cost only. Those who are opting for organic chemistry course, for them you are giving free of cost for physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry also. So practice grand test papers for time being, due course of the time, we provide practice NEET papers. Already we have some NEET papers previously, but this year also we are going to add a practice paper for the NEET aspirant students. Acha, this is an important note for all the students, sir. If you are interested for this course, please send your details, like your time slot when you are free. And please send your complete information through my WhatsApp number only. Don't call me, because most of the time I was in class only. Please send your message to my WhatsApp number only, right? And one more thing, those who are academically poor, they are not effort for this course. For them, you are providing the online coaching free of cost only. So first 20 students who are enrolling, for them I am giving this opportunity. Please send your contact details and proof. You are academically poor. Any proof is with you, please send with us so that we can give the free coaching for them. Like in this video, we will cover some like basic nature of the organic compound, acidic nature of organic compounds, like some decarboxylation technique and isomerism tricks. The sample videos I am providing. Please watch the sample videos. And still in addition to these videos, you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel, YouTube channel. Our YouTube channels are given Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy YouTube channel है. Please subscribe our channel and watch unlimited videos है. And every day you are updating the videos also. Thank you very much. Basic nature of organic compounds. See, in previous classes, we discussed about acidic nature of organic compound, like aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. Similarly, basic nature of organic compound, either acidic nature or basic nature, compulsory one question they will ask in NEET examination or GE examination. Now, basic nature of organic compounds. Dekho, basic nature of organic compound. Achha, there are three theories are there in order to explain the basic character. First one is Arrhenius theory, then Bronsted theory and Lewis theory. Now, once again, Arrhenius theory, Bronsted theory, and Lewis theory. Achha, what is the base according to Arrhenius? What is the base according to Arrhenius? The substance which gives OH minus ion in its aqueous solution. Chalo, according to Arrhenius, which gives OH minus ion in aqueous solution is nothing but base. Bronsted means proton acceptor. Achha, acid is proton donor hai, base is proton acceptor. Proton acceptor is a base according to the Bronsted. According to Lewis, electron pair donors are nothing but electron pair donors. Electron pair donors are nothing but base according to Lewis. Achha, like acidic character, basic character also, there are three theories are there in order to explain the basic nature of the organic compounds. Now, important funda here. Acidic character also, this point we discussed. If anion formed is more stable, then its acidic nature increases. That means basic nature decreases. Basic nature decreases. Basic nature decreases. Achha, for example, in a periods, En value increases. Stability of anion increases. Whenever stability of anion increases, acidic character increases. Whereas basic nature decreases. चलो एक एग्जांपल है, आपके लिए एक एग्जांपल है. अच्छा देखो, इन ए पीरियड CH3 माइनस NH2 माइनस, अच्छा OH माइनस F माइनस. For a kind information, more En value is a fluorine. अच्छा, En value increases, stability of anion increases. Whenever stability of anion increases, acidic character increases. That's the reason why HF is more acidic than CH4. But basic nature decreases. Matlab, which is a more basic character? Suppose they are asking basic nature of this compound. Suppose they are asking basic nature of the compound is great. Acidic nature increases, basic nature decreases only in a period. So very simple. CH4 is a weak base, whereas HF is a strong base. Sorry, HF is a strong acid है, strong acid है, ये weak acid है. अच्छा, weak acid conjugate basis strong है, strong acid conjugate basis weak है. Very simple funda है. अच्छा, very simple funda. You remember, En value increases, stability of anion increases, acidic character increases, basic nature decreases. Note करो. Otherwise, cation formed is the most stable. Basic character increases, acidic character decreases. Anion formed is the most stable. We discussed so many examples in previous videos, like acidic character of anion. How anion is formed is more acidic character one. Chalo, very simple funda note karo. Like in groups also we are going to discuss. In groups also we are going to discuss. Like in groups, like in groups, size of the anion increases, acidic character increases, basic character decreases. Acidic character increases, whereas the basic character decreases. If size of the anion increases, acidic character increases, basic character decreases. For example, well-known example है. अच्छा, F minus है, Cl minus है, Br minus है, I minus है. F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. देखो, in that, which is the largest size? This is the largest size. Largest size is more acidic and least basic. So for a kind of formation, we know acidic character है, Ka values are order है, Hi is more acidic than HBr, than HCl, than HF. Now basic character है, this is acidic. Ka value for acidic nature है. For basic nature के लिए the strong acid conjugate base is weak है. I minus है, Br minus है, like Cl minus है, like F minus है, So here strong base is F minus. We said in a Hoffman elimination poor living group అని చెప్తున్నాం. F minus poor living group, I minus is strong more living group అంటాం, easily living group అంటాం, because of basic strength is less only, basic strength is more only. So anyhow, in group size of the anion increases, acidic character increases, basic nature decreases. Note correct. Size of the anion increases, acidic nature increases, basic nature decreases. Right? Achha, in a period, in a group, how there is basic character. Now, mostly based on Kb values, just like Ka value, acidic character, Kb value. Achha, like in Kb values, Kb value increases, or pKb value decreases, basic strength increases. Mostly Kb value, pK values are measured in aqueous solution, because RNA3 is applicable to only aqueous solution. This is applicable to only aqueous solution. Is applicable to only aqueous solution. For example, अच्छा, one base I consider RNH2 is a one base है. अच्छा, in aqueous solution में क्या weak base का बड़ी तरीके से equilibrium हो. अच्छा, RNH3 plus OH minus. Now equilibrium constant for base Kb, for acid K, equilibrium constant is nothing but concentration of RNH3 plus, concentration of OH minus, and concentration of base. These are experimental values, no need to mug up. These are experimental values. So generally OH products में OH minus increases, basic nature increases. The substance which gives OH minus and very easily is nothing but more basic character. So OH minus increase means Kb value increases. Kb value increases, basic nature increases. In aqueous solution based on Oxford dilution law, relative strength of acid and base are explained in aqueous solution. Kb value increases, basic strength increases. Now today we are going to discuss some decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation. Achha, do you know what is meant by decarboxylation? Is the removal of CO2. Decarboxylation nothing but a removal of CO2. Removal of CO2 nothing but decarboxylation. Generally, decarboxylation, what are the reagents are used? Generally, soda lime. Soda lime. Achha, what is the soda lime? Soda lime is nothing but NaOH and CaO. Achha, what is the role of NaOH? What is the role of CaO? Achha, role of CaO is this is a drying agent. Is a drying agent. Drying agent. Achha, NaOH is a NaOH or KOH. Removal of CO2. Removal of CO2. So once again you check decarboxylation में nothing but removal of CO2. For this we are using a soda lime. Soda lime is nothing but NaOH and CaO. NaOH function or KOH function is removal of CO2, whereas CaO function is a drying agent. Once again you check one example. With one example. With one example. Like CH3 COO Na. Now I am using soda lime. Soda lime is nothing but NaOH and CaO. NaOH CaO. Now this is nothing but removal of Na2CO3. Removal of Na2CO3 and alkane is formed. Na2CO3 and alkane is formed. Acha, very clear. One thing you remember over here. Initially, number of carbon taken 2 carbon, but alkane obtained is only 1 carbon. Degradation reactions. Degradation reaction. Acha, what is the role of NaOH over here? What is the role of NaOH? Role of NaOH is a removal of CO2. Removal of CO2. Then what is the role of CaO? We are not using CaO. What is the role of this one? What is the role of CaO? Is a drying agent. Achha, sir, you may ask the doubt, sir. Sir, what is the necessity of CaO? Where is the water molecule? Because NaOH is a deliquescent substance. So NaOH is a deliquescent substance. Deliquescent substance. Deliquescence means which absorbs water molecule. Which absorbs water molecule. Deliquescence. So water molecule absorb, but calcium oxide compulsory use drying agent. Other than this, other than CaO, maybe byproducts or coal-based electrolytes byproducts will be obtained only. So it is very important calcium oxide drying agent to keep the entire reaction is a dry state, so that easily removes carbon dioxide in the form of Na2CO3 or K2CO3. So alkanes are prepared only, 1 carbon less are there. So similarly, at a sodium benzoate C6H5 COONe, sodium benzoate, when react with sodium hydroxide at a CaO around 200 to 500 degrees Celsius temperature. Now again, what is obtained is benzene only, 1 carbon less. Achha, C6H6 plus Na2CO3. Achha, number of carbons count karo, there are 7 carbon atoms. Ye number of carbon obtained is 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbon atoms. अच्छा, मैकेनिज्म आप देख लीजिए, क्या मैकेनिज्म है ये वाला. अच्छा, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल फॉर formation of carbon ion. Formation of carbon ion here. Formation of carbon, R minus is formed. Formation of carbon ion. अच्छा, for our kind information, carbon ion stability is stability of carbon ion is a primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. Tertiary only. See one example, one best example है. अच्छा, I go for R CO ONA. अच्छा, in the presence of OH minus, either NaOH or KOH. NaOH or KOH. NaOH or KOH. अब देख लीजिए, carbon and oxygen is more electronegative. So nucleophile attack at the center where electron density is less. Means R minus है सब बाहर आएंगे. R minus है, मतलब carbon ion is formed है. Carbon ion is formed है. The rest of the reaction you can see CO minus, OH, ONA. Like, so again from this hydrogen, this is acidic hydrogen. The hydrogen which are attached to more En value is acidic hydrogen. From this RH, the rest of the molecule आप देख लीजिए, here H plus आएंगे ना, here O minus है, nothing but here remaining in Na2CO3. अच्छा, एक और Na ऐड करेगा, Na2CO3. अच्छा, all H is nothing but alkane is formed है, here alkane is formed है. This is nothing but Na, this is nothing but NaHCO3 ना. अच्छा, एक और सोडियम रिप्लेस करेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है. अच्छा, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ आएंगे, RH alkane फॉर्म करेगा. सो मतलब इन दिस रिएक्शन, डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन रिएक्शन, intermediate compound is formation of carbon ion only. Formation of carbon ion stability order is like the primary, secondary, tertiary. Suppose the questions are asking like this. So now acidic character, today we are going to discuss acidic nature of carboxylic acids and aromatic compounds. Acidic nature of aromatic acids, aromatic carboxylic acids, acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids, acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids. चलो ये aromatic carboxylic acids में very important thing is R2 effect. R2 effect है. अच्छा, R2 effect only observed in carboxylic, aromatic carboxylic acids only. R2 effect है. We discuss R2 effect later, but I will tell the statement है. R2 effect में R2 substituted is carboxylic acid है, COH. अच्छा, ये R2 पोजीशन में इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing ग्रुप కావచ్చు और इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप కావచ్చు. R2 పొజిషన్ లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ గాని ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ గాని ఏ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నా సరే more acidic character then benzoic acid, अच्छा, which is a more acidic character when compared to either meta or para position में electron donating group है. either meta and para position में electron donating. देखो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड सर Although substituted carboxylic acid, sir, more acidic character, this acidic nature order है, this acidic nature order है. So this called ऑर्थो effect है. ऑर्थो substituted carboxylic acid, whether ऑर्थो पोजीशन में इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग है, these are called bulky groups बोलते हैं. Bulky groups on ortho position. Acidic nature of carboxylic acid increases. This is called ortho effect. This ortho effect because of two factors. This ortho effect because of two factors. One is a SIR factor. One is SIR factor. What is meant by SIR? अच्छा, ये previous slide में here except you can write except. Here except this group is except amino group and somewhere methoxy group है. Except these two groups है. Remaining case में ऑर्थो में इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग है, whatever may be carboxylic acid acidic character increases होंगे. देखो what is here SIR effect है. This ortho effect because of two factor है. SIR effect है. SIR effect है. What is SIR? Steric inhibition of resonance. SIR means steric inhibition of resonance. Steric inhibition of resonance. चलो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल है. अच्छा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, विट्टे के कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, अच्छा C डबल बॉन्ड OH. देखो these are all same plane only. This बेंजीन रिंग and COH is same plane only. Same plane में रेजोनेंस इज पॉसिबल है. देखो रेजोनेंस है, सपोज यहाँ लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ माइग्रेट हुआ like this. Shall I write the structure of above the compound? अच्छा, CO minus double bond OH here positive charge. अच्छा, inside the ring देखो ये वाला ये inside the ring है. Now if suppose these two are in same plane है, now one more resonance is also possibility there. One more resonance is also possible. क्या resonance है ये वाला ऐसा, and that means again electron density back to oxygen. Whenever electron density back to oxygen, proton is reluctant to release. Very difficult to release the proton. A little bit carboxylic acidic character decreases only. Now suppose this group is out of plane. देखो. Now any bulky group, whether electron releasing, electron donating, any bulky group, put an ortho position. Any bulky group put an ortho position. Any group, अच्छा one group है, any group, either electron withdrawing group, electron releasing group, put an ortho position. Then because of this, no repulsions are maximum. Because inter-electronic repulsions है. Inter-repulsions are possible. Because of this repulsion, this molecule go out of plane only. Because of the repulsion, this molecule go out of plane only. Whenever out of plane, and this is not possible. Whenever out of plane, this is not possible. And then positive charged oxygen में proton easily can release only. That's why it is a more acidic character only. That's why all those, whether this group is electron withdrawing or electron donating doesn't matter. Since so whenever these bulky groups are present, because of inter-repulsions are possible between these two, so this go for out of plane. Whenever out of plane, this plane electron is migration is very difficult. So more electropositive element carrying positive charge, then proton comes out very easily. This proton comes out very easily. Then a more acidic character. That's why this is called steric indifference. It's like SIR factor and all. Steric inhibition of resonance. Because of steric factor, resonance is inhibited only. Because of inhibition of resonance, proton comes out very easily. That's why ortho-substituted carboxylic acids are more acidic than general carboxylic acid, normal carboxylic acid only. This is applicable to only aromatic carboxylic acid only, like benzoic acid only. So this is one of the reasons for ortho effect is SIR region only. Achha, number of chain isomers. Number of chain isomers. Number of chain isomers, particularly in alkanes. Number of chain isomers. Because previously you can check it. Previously 3 to 4 times of these questions are asked, particularly alkanes. Number of chain isomers are asked, right? देखो number of chain isomers के लिए formula. If number of carbon atoms are less than 4, there is no chain isomer. Number of carbon atoms are N is number of carbon atoms are less than 4, no chain isomer. No chain isomer. देखो number of carbon atoms are less than 4, there is no chain isomer. Right? Actually, N is equal to 4. Number of chain isomers formula 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. If n is equal to 4 to 7, number of chain isomers formula 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. अच्छा, for example, if n is equal to 2 करो, suppose n is equal to here n is equal to 4 करो, n is equal to 4 calculate करो कितना isomers है, n is equal to 4 means 2 power 4 minus 4, 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. N is equal to 4 means number of isomers are 2. For example, N butane, isobutane, 2 isomers. Achha, N is equal to 5. Put N is equal to 5. 5 minus 4. 2 power 1. 2 plus 1. Achha, in case of pentane, 3 isomers. We know that pentane, N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Achha, no need to check it. You can remember the formula. Number of chain isomers 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. If n is equal to 4 to 7. N is equal to 4 to 7. This is the formula. Achha, 2 power n minus 4 plus 2. If n is equal to 8. If n is equal to 8, 2 power n minus 4 plus 2 is the formula. So n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. 2 power n minus 4 plus 3 if n is equal to 9. Achha, mostly I'm telling you, in NEET examination or any complete examination, they may ask question up to 7. Rarest of the rare cases only they're asking n is equal to 9, 10. If n is equal to 10, 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 plus n if n is equal to 10. For example, n is equal to 10 करो, n is equal to 10 करो. अच्छा, calculate करो, n is equal to 10 करो. 2 power 10 minus 4. 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. अच्छा, 64 plus 1. अच्छा, n is equal to 10. कितना हो गया? अच्छा, very difficult to ask you. n is equal to 10 है, 75 chain isomers are possibility है. But इतना question, इतना longest questions है, lengthy questions है. They never ask you in NEET examination or any competitive examination. But simply formulas are याद कर. I am telling you this class है, this video only for number of isomers for formula based questions. अच्छा, remaining there is no formula. These are formula based questions. Right? Check. अच्छा, देखो ये वाला number of chain isomers formula 2 power. अच्छा, n less than is equal to 4, there is no chain isomer in case of alkane. But in case of alkane, n is equal to 5 होना चाहिए, minimum number of carbons. This is regarding the chain isomer. Formulas you need to remember. Very simple है. 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 है, n 4 to 7 है, plus 2 है 8 है, plus 3 है 9 है. अच्छा, इसको फर्स्ट फार्मूला को आप प्लस n ऐड करो और 10 हो गया. n is equal to 10. Very simply you remember the formula. Shall I? Next. And before, I think functional isomerism, there is no formula, sir. But some tricks are there. What are the tricks, sir? What are the tricks, sir? DBE, double bond equivalents, are unsaturated index. We call as unsaturated index. डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंस है, अनसैचुरेटेड इंडेक्स है. अच्छा चलो ये फॉर्मूला कैसा होता है, which is equal to dB is equal to sigma n into b minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. अच्छा दूसरा फॉर्मूला भी था. अच्छा दूसरा फॉर्मूला कैसा होता है? अच्छा योर चॉइस है. अच्छा CA HB NC OD सपोज CA HB NC OD है. अच्छा डबल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंस का फॉर्मूला DBE का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? A plus 1 minus B minus C by 2. अच्छा फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू DBE का what is the meaning of DBE. अच्छा सपोज DBE is equal to 1 है. अच्छा मीनिंग क्या है? DB is equal to 1 means the compound containing one double bond or one cycle. One cycle means one ring. अच्छा meaning of DB, it containing one double bond है or it containing one ring. मतलब both isomers we have to write. अच्छा चलो एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए. अच्छा मैंने C4H8 दिया आपको. अच्छा C4H8 saturated or unsaturated? Very simply you have to find out this formula. अच्छा DB is equal to 0 is saturated compound है. DB is equal to 1, 2 are nothing but unsaturated compound. अच्छा which formula is suitable? I think this formula है ना better. CA HB and COD. अच्छा both formulas are suitable है. Your choice है which formula is relevant for you, you can go for it. अच्छा देखो मैंने ये फॉर्मूला ना DBE के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहा है. अच्छा DBE is equal to, अच्छा ये वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ 4 है प्लस 1 माइनस B वैल्यू कितना है? अच्छा C वैल्यू नहीं है 0 डिवाइड बाय 2. 5 माइनस 4 है 1 है. अच्छा DB1 का मीनिंग क्या है? 1 डबल बॉन्ड हो सकता है, 1 साइकिल भी हो सकता है. मतलब C4H8 को कैसा लिखूंगा, एक हिंट है आपके लिए. नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स, इन ऑर्डर टू राइट द नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स, हिंट है. अच्छा क्या हिंट है? इसमें एक डबल बॉन्ड है, मतलब ऐसा लिख सकता है मैंने. अच्छा नाउ पॉसिबिलिटी बनता है आपका. डबल बॉन्ड फर्स्ट पोजीशन में भी लगता है, सेकंड पोजीशन में. अच्छा थर्ड फोर्थ नहीं होता. बट आई एम टेलिंग हाउ विल राइट नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स. This is simple technique. Double bond either one may be or two may be. अच्छा it containing one double bond है, first ये होगा रिंग है. अच्छा रिंग का मतलब आप ऐसा लिख सकता है ना 4 कार्बन रिंग है. ऑफ कोर्स इसके लिए ये भी लिख सकता है ना आप, ये भी लिख सकता है. अच्छा दिस आर नथिंग बट one kind of information for you. If you calculate DBE, what kind of functional isomers बन सकता है. This is called ring chain isomers also बोलते हैं. अच्छा previous class question I will tell you one question asked previously. I will tell you what are the question previous class. Actually this is a hint only. अच्छा how many isomers are possible there? One double bond is possible, one cyclic ring is possible. Cyclic contain 4 member ring possible, 3 member ring में 1 methyl also possible there. अच्छा now I am telling you previously what questions are asked. अच्छा C5H10 के लिए they are asked how many cyclic isomers are possible. Only cyclic isomers are possible. C5H10 के लिए how many cyclic isomers are possible? This is the question previously asked. How many cyclic isomers are possible for this compound? अच्छा first DBE कैलकुलेट करो. आपको DBE कैलकुलेट करो. अच्छा डीबी का कैलकुलेट करो, ये वैल्यू कितना है 5 + 1 है, माइनस बी वैल्यू कितना है 10 है, सी वैल्यू देयर इज नो नाइट्रोजन ना, डिवाइड बाय 2 है। अच्छा 6 - 5 कितना है, मतलब ओनली 1 साइकिल, 2 साइकिल नहीं होता है, ओनली 1 साइकिल। अच्छा चलो शैल वी राइट 1 साइकिल मींस अच्छा साइक्लोपेंटेन शैल वी राइट, साइक्लोपेंटेन शैल वी राइट। अच्छा एक और है साइक्लोब्यूटेन लिख सकता है, एक मिथाइल ग्रुप आल्सो दे, 2 आइसोमर्स है। अच्छा एक साइक्लोप्रोपाइल है, एक इथाइल ग्रुप है, एक इथाइल ग्रुप है। अच्छा तीसरा है एक साइक्लोप्रोपेन है। अच्छा 1,1 डाइमिथाइल लिख सकता है, 1,1 डाइमिथाइल लिख सकता है। अच्छा ये भी लिख सकता है, आप देख लीजिए 1,2 भी लिख सकता है। अच्छा 1,1 लिख सकता है, 1,2 लिख सकता है, 1,3 नॉट पॉसिबल है, 1,3 नथिंग बट अगेन 1,2। अच्छा फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हेनेवर 1,2 लिखा ना सिस ट्रांस बोथ आर पॉसिबल ना, 1,2 में सिस पॉसिबल, बोथ मेथड यूज आर सेम साइड है टुवर्ड्स यू, सिस है 1,2 1 इज टुवर्ड्स 1 इज अवे फ्रॉम यू, ये ट्रांस भी लिख सकता है। अच्छा देखो साइक्लिक आइसोमर सर, साइक्लिक आइसोमर सर। अच्छा इसमें सिस एंड ट्रांस में, अच्छा आई एम टेलिंग यू लाइक दैट फॉर सिंपलिसिटी आई एम टेलिंग यू, ऐसा लिखो आपको, आप ऐसा लिखो। अच्छा मैंने सिस लिख रहा है, ट्रांस लिख रहा है। अच्छा एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, ये सिस है। अच्छा एक हाइड्रोजन इज अवे फ्रॉम यू, अच्छा दूसरा हाइड्रोजन आल्सो अवे फ्रॉम यू, ये सिस होता है, राइट, ये सिस होता है। अच्छा सिस में सिमेट्री है, यस सिस में सिमेट्री है, सिस में सिमेट्री होता है, सो यू कैन कट द प्लेन वर्टिकल लाइन है, बोथ आर इक्वल आउटसाइड, ये प्लेनर सिमेट्री है सिस में, प्लेनर सिमेट्री मीन देयर इज नो ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेट्री। अच्छा इसमें देखो सिस एंड ट्रांस, सिस में एक ही है, ट्रांस में D + L आल्सो, ट्रांस मींस one is towards you, one is away from you, there is no symmetry, इसमें D and L बनता है। the previous last question है, अच्छा ये 1 वाला 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, अच्छा ये वाला 5 है, ये वाला 6, ये वाला 7 है। अच्छा because now you are getting ready for writing NEET examination, they may ask a question including structure also, including stereo also, including stereo ना आपका 7 isomers possible, including stereo 7 isomers are possible, 7 isomers are possible। अच्छा excluding stereo asked ना only 5 isomers, अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 है, leave it, cis and trans optical D and L are stereo isomers, they may ask, previously asked names का question भी था, total number of isomers including stereo isomers। अच्छा ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बनता है, dB से बनता है। अच्छा एक और है dB2 is equal to what is the meaning of, अच्छा dB2, अच्छा dB2 what is the meaning है, अच्छा what is the meaning of dB2, अच्छा dB2 क्या मीनिंग है, 2 डबल बॉन्ड्स है, 2 डबल बॉन्ड्स है, अच्छा 1 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, 1 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, RS 2 रिंग्स है, 2 रिंग्स है, R 1 रिंग 1 डबल बॉन्ड, 1 रिंग + 1 डबल बॉन्ड। अच्छा दिस आर पॉसिबिलिटी बनेगा,